Hello friends, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be filming my Bomibox unboxing for April 2019. I apologize, it's a little late. I was on vacation, so I'm going to be playing the catch-up game for basically the rest of May. Bear with me. Hopefully this information is still relevant and pertinent for you. This Bomibox comes with a mailer. I always like to show you guys that. The box is enchanting, and it changes every month. It's a joy. It's one of my favorite things at Bomibox. I get Bomibox instead of Bomibag, and so this technically, I guess now, is Bomibox Luxe, and they have a Bomibox, and they have a, or maybe Bomibox Luxe is coming next month. I don't know, because now they have a middle of the road option, and at the time that I purchased this I'm sorry, I have to pull my phone up because they don't send an insert. This is the top tier at like $37.99 or $38.99. I'll leave the information in the description below. And the Bomibag is 20 bucks. It's like maybe 1 or 2 full-size items and the rest samples. And I got that for ages and then decided to upgrade to Bomibox. Let's look inside. Lovely. I already see a whole bunch of goodies in here. Ew. Stress Out Solution Foam by Bella Monster. It's kind of open. So a cleanser basically. My skin's a little bit stressed out after all the sun exposure. And I did burn. God bless America. I burned, and not just that, the biodegradable sunblock that you have to use when you're doing they recommend it for snorkeling and for dolphins. We saw dolphins, manatees, stingrays, snorkeling in Grand Cayman, Starfish Beach. All of those really suggest that you wear biodegradable sunblocks to not hurt the animals, but it gave me terrible rashes. It gave me terrible rashes, and it didn't work for me very well, so I totally burned. Also, it's really easy to burn when you're snorkeling because you feel, you don't feel it very much. Anyway, back to this box. So yes, I do have stressed out skin. So this is, looks like Elisa Vecca. Yeah, Elisa Vecca Aqua Hyaluronic Water Drop Cream. So there's that. You can hear my ducks, they're irritable. I got whole nother situation going on with them. Anyway, Aromatica Natural Always Wins Rose Absolute Eye Cream. I got a whole bunch of littles this month. All Clean White Clay Foam by Hamish. White clay and dense lather leaves skin feeling clean and fresh. Ooh. Pressed Serum. Tundra Chaga for ultimate nutrition and firming. Ooh. Wow. It's interesting. Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask. Sika Relief Cream. Strengthens weakened skin barriers. Real Barrier Extra Cream. Strengthens weakened skin barrier. So they're a little bit different. Let's pull out my phone and read. So this month we focus on soothing stressed skin, anti-aging, and hydration to strengthen the skin barrier. Aromatica Rose Absolute Eye Cream. It's really light. Cardboardy box. Nice. Bella Monster Stress Out Solution Cleansing Foam. Elisa Vecca Aqua Hyaluronic Acid Water Drop Cream. This is heavy. Okay, Ado Palm Real Barrier Extreme Cream. Ado Palm Real Barrier Sika Relief. A little bit rusty, guys. Sorry about that. Blythe Pressed Serum Tundra Shanga Wait, no, sorry, that's Laneige. This one. And then Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. And Hamish All Clean White Clay Foam. Okay, and then a little bit. So this is an antioxidant rich eye cream to prevent signs of premature aging. And of course you apply it under the eye. This is it's a cleanser that helps moisturize the skin by building in a skin protection barrier with carrot seed oil. The low pH product is not harsh on the skin with Centella asiatica extract to soothe and calm. So basically use it like a foam cleanser. This refreshing moisturizing cream is packed with hydrating hyaluronic acid, soothing aloe vera, and revitalizing red ginseng. As soon as you smooth it onto your skin, the cream transforms into moisturizing water drops that soak deep into your dermal layers while protecting skin with a nourishing barrier. Plus, it brightens the complexion and helps diminish the appearance of wrinkles, leaving skin moist and youthful looking. Last step. Face and neck. Okay, so I'm kind of curious. This rich cream was developed for those who require serious skincare with long-lasting moisture benefits that are derived from a combination of specialty ingredient. It helps repair a damaged skin barrier. And basically, after cleansing, scoop a little cream and apply with fingertips. And then this one is the Sika Care. Soothes, calms, and helps skin recover from external irritation. Skin has been compromised and requires special care. Perfect cream for those who have skin that requires something extra. Ooh, it has calamine in it. And then it's a hybrid serum moisturizer filled with anti-aging and anti-pollution benefits while deeply hydrating at the same time. Its 60% chaga mushroom extract is rich in antioxidants to minimize the visible signs of aging and pollution. It's particularly unique because it's cooled. It's cooled instead of heat processed to preserve all those vital skin boosting nutrients. Olive, argan, and meadow foam seed oils further hydrate and condition skin. So after cleansing and toning, warm a pea-sized amount between palms and gently press into slightly damp skin. This one really is very, very popular, so you probably don't need a super big introduction. Recharge dehydrated skin while you sleep with this innovative mask. It's formulated with highly concentrated hydroionized mineral water to deliver high doses of moisture to stressed, parched skin. Calming sleep scent infused with orange flower, rose, and sandalwood, and it relaxes and comforts while apricot and evening primrose extracts to brighten and purify fatigued skin. The result: skin looks and feels radiant, refreshed, and soft, so you wake up with soft, glowing skin. After face cream, apply evenly across face. After the product is absorbed completely, leave treatment on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Use once or twice a week. And then, all clean white clay foam cleanser delivers a special deep cleansing with its featured ingredients: kaolin, Amazon white clay, hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, and citrus herb oils. Kaolin purifies skin by drying out the dirt and oils trapped in pores, while coconut oil hydrates and conditions. Not only do the 10 different types of natural herb oils refresh and revitalize skin, but they also remove toxins. Paraben-free and hypoallergenic, this foam cleanser is for all skin types. Mix a small amount with water to work up into a lather. Wash your skin. So basically, it is a foam cleanser. Here, let me put these up here so you guys can see it. This is Bomibox for April 2019. I debated with myself whether or not to do a monthly review of my Korean beauty boxes because it's so late. But literally, Beauty didn't even come until May 7th. So it's totally, I think, going to be still valuable to do a comparison. So stay tuned for that. I know people have been asking about it. It's coming. I was on vacation. I'm sorry. Anyways, Bomibox, I'll leave the information in the description below. So good to be back. Please like. I'd love to know your feedback. Give me some comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.